Hello everyone. In this video, we will take a look at the items that will be in the Hyperbaric Chamber Accessories Package. This white box will be located inside the chamber box. The first items to notice inside this package are the two balance valves. These valves may be placed on your chamber already. These valves will let out the air pressure inside your chamber to regulate the desired pressure. The next item we have is a spare port. This spare port allows you to fill in a port if you would like to remove a chamber accessory while keeping the pressure inside the chamber. The next item we have here is the oxygen port connector. This connector allows you to use any type of oxygen mask you would like inside the chamber. This connector fits directly into the oxygen port inside your chamber. Here we have the blue external pressure gauge. This gauge will tell you the current chamber pressure in kilopascals or kPa. An example of this would be that 1.3 ATA translates to 32 kilopascals on the pressure gauge. 1.4 ATA would translate to 42 kPa, and 1.5 ATA would show 52 kilopascals. This black pressure gauge is the internal pressure gauge. The functions of this gauge are identical to the blue pressure gauge, but this gauge will be on the inside of your chamber. This shiny red valve here is your emergency release valve. This valve is one pressure level higher than your balance valves. This valve functions as a tertiary balance valve and also as a way to release the pressure even faster from your chamber in case of an emergency. By pressing the button from inside the chamber, you will be releasing air quickly from your chamber. This valve may also already be installed on your chamber when it arrives. This small bag contains 2 extra fuses for your hardware in case you ever need to replace them. An extra oxygen headset will come in your package as well. That sums up the accessories package video. Stay tuned for the next video in the setup playlist.